ke riwruok matayo tuke adhula e pinje mag Afrika CAF kaachiel gi mano matayo adhula e pachoka FKF otieko tiegruok mar ndalo ariyo mane okelo kanyakla Jokudh firimbi gi jogo ma ochung'ne klepe ma pachoka. Tiegruok ma kama ne en mar keto kenge makare matayo adhula e pachoka.
To talk to the teams and also the referees, and you know integrity is very, very integral in competitive and the quality of the league. We are starting our leagues on 13th, and we want the fans back. We want to see the sponsors come, and you know the sponsors cannot come when the credibility of the league is in question.
They play a key role during the games. They are the visible hand of the federation during the game. So when they deliver, they do a good job. Everybody is happy. The fans are happy. The clubs, they are happy because the game were very well refereed, and that had more value to the growth of the football overall.